Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Eco-Me Laundry is probably one of the most exciting laundry detergents I've come across in a while. Today, we're diving deep into this eco-friendly powerhouse, exploring its cleaning capabilities, environmental impact, and overall value. I'll be sharing my personal experience, breaking down its ingredients, and comparing it to other popular brands to help you decide if it's the right choice for your laundry needs. Number 5. Earth Breeze Fresh Scent Laundry Sheets. Tired of bulky detergent jugs? These innovative sheets are the perfect solution. They are easy to use and eco-friendly, making laundry day a breeze. Proudly made in the USA, these sheets are crafted with high-quality ingredients. You can trust that they are safe for your family and the environment. Don't let the compact size fool you. These sheets tackle tough stains and odors effectively. It works in both hot and cold water, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. Simplify your laundry routine with these pre-measured sheets. They are perfect for home use or travel, eliminating mess and waste. It is compatible with all washing machines. Enjoy the gentle, fresh scent that leaves your clothes smelling amazing. It provides a soft touch and a subtle fragrance after every wash cycle. These sheets are free from harsh chemicals and packaged without plastic. It is dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, and cruelty-free, gentle on your skin and the planet. With every order, Earth Breeze donates detergent to those in need. By choosing this product, you're not only getting a great clean but also supporting a good cause. What we like. This product is designed to tackle tough stains and odors, ensuring your clothes are fresh and clean. It is also travel-friendly, making it perfect for those on the go. If you are looking for a convenient and effective laundry solution that is also gentle on your skin, you should consider this. What people say. They clean our clothes just as well as traditional detergents, but without the heavy plastic jugs or messy spills. The sheets dissolve completely in both hot and cold water, leave clothes smelling fresh, not overpowering, and are gentle on fabrics and skin. They take up almost no space, have zero plastic, and are super easy to use. Just toss one in and you're done. Number 4. Earth Breeze Fragrance-Free Laundry Detergent Sheets. Tired of bulky detergent jugs? These convenient sheets are the perfect solution. They are easy to use and great for both home and travel. These sheets tackle tough stains and odors effectively. They are designed to leave no harsh chemical residue, ensuring your clothes are truly clean. Simplify your laundry routine with these pre-measured sheets. They are compatible with all washing machines and eliminate the mess of traditional detergents. It's also travel-friendly. Enjoy fresh and clean laundry with the fragrance-free formula. It's gentle on your clothes and provides a soft touch after every wash. These sheets replace plastic jugs with a microplastic-free alternative. They are dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, and cruelty-free, gentle on skin and the planet. For every order, the company donates detergent to those in need. They have already donated over 300 million loads, making a real difference. The product is transitioning to be made in the USA. During this period, your order may or may not be made in the USA. What we like. This product is fragrance-free, which is ideal for those with sensitivities. It is also gentle on sensitive skin, ensuring a comfortable experience. If you have sensitive skin or prefer unscented products, you should consider this. What people say. Eco-Me Laundry Detergent is a great product. It works very well. It is a great detergent. Number 3. Ecos Magnolia Lily Laundry Detergent, 200 loads. Introducing ECOS Laundry Detergent, a plant-powered solution that's both effective and gentle. It's dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic, perfect for sensitive skin. This product is designed to clean your clothes thoroughly. This laundry detergent is not only effective but also pH balanced. It's a climate-positive choice, ensuring a sustainable clean. You can feel good about using it. With enough detergent for 200 loads, this product is both cruelty-free and vegan. It's an ideal choice for planet-conscious households. This product aligns with your values. Unlike conventional detergents, this one is paraben and phosphate-free. It avoids harsh chemicals that can pollute the water. It's a safer choice for the environment. Ecos Laundry Detergent is a gentle cleaning solution suitable for families with skin sensitivities. It's designed to be kind to your skin while effectively cleaning your clothes. It's a great choice for everyone. Proudly made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients. This product supports local manufacturing. You can trust its quality. Since 1967, Ecos has used enzymes found in nature to create safer, powerful products. The liquid laundry detergents are made in a carbon and water neutral, true platinum zero waste factory using 100% renewable energy. It delivers great results. What we like. This product is plant-powered, making it a great choice for eco-conscious consumers. It is also hypoallergenic, ensuring it is gentle on sensitive skin. If you are looking for a sustainable and gentle laundry detergent, you should consider this. What people say. It doesn't have a strong, or any smell, works great, easy to pour the right amount using the lid, doesn't bother sensitive skin, highly recommend. I have been using this brand for years, and find I can use it on all my clothes. Frankly, this bottle is one of the best made in the industry. It doesn't leak. It doesn't have spills in usage from overfilling a cup and putting the lid back on. I know you know what I am talking about if you have used other brands of liquid detergent where the product eventually drips down the sides and is messy. After I used my first bottle of Ecos, I poured the rest of another brand in the bottle as I could not stand their bottle another day. Since then I always buy Ecos. It is supposed to be hypoallergenic and dermatologist tested, and I endorse that. I like the lavender scent as it is nice but not too strong or fake like other detergents. I have 2 sons, a husband and myself, and the scent works for mom and the males in my house. The bottle is strong but it is not heavy. I feel good about using this product. My laundry smells fresh and this has made my laundry easier with the ease of use. My clothes look nice, smell fresh, and there are no fake colors in this product. Number 2. Tide Purclean Plant-Based Laundry Detergent EcoBox. This is the same great Tide Purclean you love, now in a smarter package. It's a plant-based detergent with the cleaning power you expect from Tide. This formula is 75% plant-based, offering a powerful clean. It is designed to be tough on stains while being gentle on the environment. The packaging uses 50% less plastic per ounce compared to traditional bottles. This compact size makes it easy to store and use. Get 30% more gentle clean per drop with this ultra-concentrated formula. The easy-to-use, no-drip tap ensures no mess. The formula is made with 100% renewable wind power electricity at a zero manufacturing waste to landfill site. It works in all machines and water temperatures. What we like. This product is plant-based, offering a more sustainable cleaning option. It is also ultra-concentrated, meaning you need less product per load. If you are looking for a powerful and eco-friendly detergent with reduced plastic use, you should consider this. What people say. EcoMe laundry detergent is a great product. It works very well. This detergent is great for anyone with sensitive skin. Number 1. Better Life Juniper Grapefruit Laundry Detergent, 64 loads. This ultra-concentrated detergent is designed to tackle dirt and stains effectively. It will leave your clothes cleaner and brighter after every wash. You can use this detergent in any HE or standard washing machine. 1 ounce of the bottle is enough for 1 load of laundry. The formula is made without harsh chemicals, making it gentle on your skin. It's free of petroleum solvents, chlorine, bleach, and other irritants. This detergent is made with plant-based ingredients, making it safe for your family and the environment. It's a better choice for a better life. For regular loads, use half a capful. For extra dirty or large loads, simply double the amount. It's that easy. What we like. This product is ultra-concentrated, providing effective cleaning with less product. It is also gentle on the skin, making it suitable for those with sensitivities. If you like a laundry detergent that is both effective and gentle, you should consider this. What people say. Cleans great. Not too thick to pour. Large heavy bottle. The reason I bought this laundry detergent was because it was one of the very few detergents that was not only rated A on EWG's cleaning database that rates products based on how healthy the ingredients are for humans and environments, but it was one of the best rated of products because literally all the ingredients were rated A and B, unlike some of the A-rated products that still had very minimal amounts of C and D-rated ingredients. Does a great job cleaning our clothes. No bad smells. Great consistency, a little goes a long way. I have found this cleans really well, both the unscented and scented, and lasts a good while, and with a baby we are always doing laundry. I don't find that my clothes have any smell, even biking or without gear. I haven't noticed more stains sticking around, and I feel good about using this. You'll know when you wash a mask in the winter and they don't smell. The lavender grapefruit is nice. It's not overpowering and it smells like real lavender with a hint of grapefruit, which therefore makes it but so floral. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.